A road is a route or way on land between two places that has been paved or otherwise improved to allow travel for the motor vehicles and also the pedestrians. Over the years, the materials used in the construction of pavement will experience deterioration and thus give rise to damage on the function of roads and also to the traffic. Many different types of stresses or damage will be found on the pavement structure. For example, degradation of the pavement structure, bleeding, rebuilding, potholes, polished aggregates, longitudinal and transverse cracking, and some more. This damage will definitely affect the performance of the pavement when traffic loading is subject to the structure. Therefore, road maintenance and rehabilitation shall be done to repair and recover the damage of the roads, in order to maintain the roads condition are safe to be used by the road users. So basically, in this mini project, the task is firstly to identify the study area, next conduct a site visit where to observe the condition of the roads, and discuss about the types of stress and damage that appear or occur on the pavement structure. So the study area that we have chosen is located at the flat, which nearby the Faculty of Environmental and Science in the UPM. So basically, this area is a residential areas with sort of small business activities taking place. The number of lane used are 2 lanes with 1 lane per direction. This type of road damage is called polished pavement surface. This occurs when the areas of the pavement HMA or PCC pavement where the portion of aggregates extending above the asphalt binder is either very small or there are no rough or angular aggregate particles. This damage will result of decrease in skidding resistance effect, which is a bad situation for the road user and might cause accidents to happen. The possible causes of this type of failure is result from the disbonding of the sealer from the surface of the aggregate, which becomes polished, that means smooth or slick to touch over the years of usage. The extent of polishing is directly proportional to the amount of traffic, and the traffic patterns, thus the failure occurs at the exit entrance and the driving lanes. To repair or to improve this type of failure, we can use to prime the pavement with a thin coat of a specialty primer that is designed to penetrate into the polished aggregates. This remedial action will provide a bonding surface for the sealer. We can also use the thin wearing course to repair the surface.
Another problem that occurs in pavement is potholes. You guys know about it? Have you seen it before? Let me show you how pothole looks like. See, the pictures show the pothole found in the pavement surface during the site visit at All Flat nearby UPM. So, how potholes actually form? It happens due to 2 factors to be present at the same time: water and traffic loading. The water weakens the soil beneath the pavement, while traffic applies the loading that stresses the pavement past the breaking point. It forms progressively fatigue of road surface, then to the precursor failure pattern, which is the crocodile cracking, and eventually create a pothole from continuous wheel load. The solution to this problem is by patching method. It is easier and cost-effective for the repairing of pothole in the pavement.
Next, we also notice cracks on the road during our site visit. There are many types of road crack, such as alligator cracking, block cracking, longitudinal and transverse crack. In our case, we saw longitudinal cracks occurring alongside a road at flat-Ikan area. These cracks run longitudinally along the pavement as shown on these videos right now. They usually occur at joints between adjacent travel lane or between a travel lane and the shoulder. This is due to thermal stress and traffic loadings produced by the vehicles passing through those roads. This crack will cause problems to the lifespan of the road itself and the road user as well. So, the solution or the method of repairing these cracks depend on the severity of the crack. There are low severity and high severity cracks. It is considered a low severity cracks when the crack is less than half inches wide and infrequent cracks. For these problems, we can use crack sealing and crack filler to seal off the crack on the road. It is very cheap and effective in solving these problems. For high severity cracks, the crack size must be more than half inches wide and have numerous cracks. This can be solved by basically removing and replacing the cracked pavement layer with an overlay.
So for me, I would like to talk about degradation. Degradation actually can be defined as the loss of a large area of the pavement surface. We mean here by the pavement surface is the asphalt layer. The loss of the pavement surface can be caused by many factors. However, the most contributing factors to this type of surface defect is seepage of water through asphalt, especially in cracks, to break the bond between the surface and the bottom layers. The causes of this type of damages are so many, and environmental factors are one of them, like the temperature and the precipitations. Causes of this problem can be also the inadequate pavement thickness, and we can treat that by strengthening overlay or reconstruction. Another course is the thin wear course. We can treat that by bitumen's overlay. Maybe poor drainage can be a cause of that, and we can treat that by improving the drainage and reconstruct. The final cause of that is the lack of bond between wearing coils and the underlying layers. And to treat that, we can do the cut and patch.
During our site visit, we also conduct a few interviews with the people at that area. We ask them what they think of the road in that area and their comment about it.
So, a very good morning. So, let me first thank my brother for giving me this chance to have him in this interview. Firstly, I would like to ask him to introduce himself.
I'm Tulu and I'm the UPM student of master's student of UPM Communication and Communication.
So, the interview is about how good and safe are the roads in this area of the Can you express your opinion to us?
The roads are quite good, but I think it needs some maintenance and repair. So I would advise if repaired or maintained, it would be quite better for riding bike and all that.
So that your opinion is encouraging for repairing and fixing some areas of the flat roads.
Maintenance of the roads.
Thank you, brother, for this interview. I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Hey, my name is Abdul Fatah Ahmad. I am a UPM student from Somalia. My matric number is 190539 from Faculty of Economics. My opinion about the infrastructure around here is, it's a bit good, but I think it needs some repair
For the roads.
yeah.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Shirwan. I used to stay here around this UPM compound. So what I found that the road condition here is quite devastating actually, and they need some repair. And I would suggest that beside of addition to the repairing, we also need some cleanliness to be done on the road and on the